40% returns on a $700,000 investment? What? Who wants to be in the hotel business? Who wants to own an 8-room guest house hotel, either with us or on your own? We're doing a lot of this across the island, combining opportunity zones with Act 60 tourism plays, with massive tax credits, paying only 25 cents on the dollar on the property taxes and a 4% corporate tax rate. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this, period. This building is perfect to be converted into this really cool 8-unit guest house, very similar to our Surfing Turtle, which you can see, and the Surfing Turtle is in Luquillo. It's a cash cow for us. So we've got some experience with this. We know how this turns out. We know what this looks like. And we're either going to partner with some people that are watching the video, or we're gonna sell it outright. We haven't decided yet. Don't be a hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment. Let's talk about the area. This beach, Sierra Gordo, is beautiful. You can see the drone footage that Adon did is incredible. It's a big, white, sandy beach with little islands out just that you can swim to, and it's just awesome. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're one town over from Dorado. Dorado is where all of the rich people live. It's the high dollar stuff, and it's starting already to trickle over in here to Vega Alta. So the town is actually called Vega Alta. The beach is called Sierra Gordo. It is up and coming and going to be spectacular. It's perfect for this kind of guest house. There's nothing like it here at all. You are literally like 100 yards from the front door to the beach. It just doesn't get any better than this. We are investing in this exact type of product all throughout the island. We love these small little guest houses because they're easy to run, produce massive, massive cash flows. We believe that this is going to throw off a 40% cap rate or a 40% return on your all-in investment once stabilized. And there's tax credits that are going to come in on top of that. So it's just an amazing deal. Why aren't you guys here in Puerto Rico? What are you waiting for? You're about to go through a recession back in the States, and we've got some insulation from that. And it wouldn't even matter if the recession comes. We're buying it so damn well on a price per door. It's amazing to be in a hospitality play under $100,000. You are doing magnificent. And this would be like an all-in at like less than $85,000 a door. So here, let's go through some of this math real quick for you guys. $350,000 purchase price plus a $350,000 renovation. You're all in at $700,000, but it gets better than that. Budget is basically going to be 30% of the revenue, and we have calculated that out to be about $120,000 for the first year. So we add that into the 700, you're at 820. You could probably also put a little bit more than that on by doing some marketing. If you want to spend some more dollars on marketing, you'll get 40% of them back. But just for quick math, let's calculate our tax credits on an $820,000 all-in from purchase through renovation, furnishings, operations, and marketing. $820,000 times 40% back. That's a $328,000 tax credit that you'll get over about a 3-year period of time. So let's go through the math on what we expect the nightly rate to be. So we're going to have 8 units. They're a mix of 2 bedrooms and 1 bedrooms units, and we're expecting that across the board we're going to average about $200 a night times 8, which would be $1,600 a night. So the way that you figure out what you're going to end up getting at the end of the year, if you take $1,600 and you multiply it by 365 days in the year, that's $584,000 of potential revenue. And in this area, we would expect conservatively to get a 65% occupancy. On the island, it's higher than that, so there is upside here, but 65% occupancy would leave you a number of $379,600 of gross revenue. And what we've found is that it costs us about 30% to run this type of a project. So you can do it with not a ton of manpower, but you are going to have some employees that are on site every day. So if we subtract out the 30%, that leaves you $265,720 per year. We can even go further than that. Monthly, it's like a $22,143.33 net revenue. So back up to the $265,000 number. Now let's divide it by your all-in investment of $700,000. So once you're stabilized, that's nearly a 40% return. After you get your tax credits, you're way over a 40% return. If you guys put debt on this thing, at the end of the day, you start the business, you get it stabilized, and then you go get a commercial loan. Oh my God, it's just like, it gets so silly. People just can't even believe how good it can get. This is your deal of a lifetime. Talk to us, leave us a comment. Also, I know I've just given you a ton of numbers, and so this can be confusing. If you've got questions, leave me a comment. We'll reach out, we'll email together, we'll get on the phone and we'll talk. We encourage partnerships here. This is no different. We're willing to stay in this deal and partner with you. We'll help you manage it. We've got renovation crews. We can do all of that, or we'll sell it. So we can talk about either way to go. Yeah, I don't know what else there is to say. Come to Puerto Rico.